Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on the wallpaper. As you can see here, we've got 4 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got local photos, recently used. Here we've got some pre-installed options. So as you can see here, we've got defaultly installed wallpapers and live wallpapers. What's more, if you will have the internet connection, then you can find the online wallpapers. So here you will be able to find the best option and set it as your own wallpaper. So if you'd like to check the preview, just tap on it, and as you can see, it is immediately elongated and applied to the full screen, so you're able to check how it will look like. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so simply tap on it. And now we can go back and check, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the home page. Let's check the recents, the lock screen also, and as you can see, it is also immediately applied. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.